first initial. Damn. So that's my first initial response. Pretty good. Damn. Let's check them out. So this is my YZ 450. These are my tires I have on it. They're pretty bad. This one is completely shot. Let's take a look. No need to fear. Got some new Sun F tires. Just got them in today. I'm gonna go ahead and change them up. The back are 21. Sorry, the front are 21 by 7 by 10. The back I like to run 20 by 11 by 9. These Maxes back here in the rear, they're also 20 by 11 by 9. I feel like it has more traction, but let's see how it goes. I went riding yesterday, so I'm gonna clean up the bike first. The tires I chose for the front are going to be 21 by 7 by 10. In the back I like to run a little smaller, which is 20 by 11 by 9. Stock it's 20 by 10 by 9, but I like the extra grip 20 by 11 gives me. Let's see. So right off the bat, first impressions, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good actually.